here with another What's Up Wednesday for you. Today's topic is all about saving your whiteboard files on your Promethean ActivPanel. Okay, so let's say you were in the middle of this great lesson on long division. Just kidding, I love long division. But let's say you're in the middle of the lesson and there's a fire drill or a pep rally, or for whatever reason you have to leave the room, and then by the time you get back it's time to switch subjects or switch periods or whatever the case might be. Well, there's some stuff on there that you're going to need for tomorrow. So how do you save it so that you can pick up where you left off? That's the first thing I'll show you. The second thing is, let's say we finished our lesson on long division and I realized, man, there's some things in that whiteboard that would be really helpful for my students. They need to have access to it. So the second option I'm going to show you is how to save that so that you can then share that file with your students. All right, let's do it. Okay, I've got my whiteboard open. We've talked about our long division and the sentence that they can use to help them remember the steps. Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? And we've started talking about the steps to long division, and we leave and then come back. So I have to pick up from where we left off here tomorrow. So to save it, I am going to click on the three dots at the top of that menu, and I'm going to choose Save As. Now, it is going to save this file as a PWB file, which is a Promethean whiteboard file. This can only be opened on the panel, which is why you're going to save the files that you want to open back up as a whiteboard to edit and make changes or whatever you need to do. Okay, so I can click right here and give it a name if I want to. And if I just click Save here, then it is going to save it directly to the panel. But if I click the three lines at the top left, notice that if I have added my Google Drive or my OneDrive to my Cloud Connect account, those are going to show here so that I could save this directly to Google Drive or OneDrive if I needed to. Okay. Once I'm done, I would click Save. I'm not actually going to save this one. And then tomorrow, when I'm ready to pick back up where we left off, I'm going to do those same three dots. And this time I'm going to say Open. And if it's on the internal storage, it'll show up in my recents, or I can do the three dots, three lines again, and go to my drive or my OneDrive and open it from there. Okay? So that's if you want to pick this up where you left off and edit it again. But let's say I'm done with my lesson and I'm ready to share this with my students. This would be a great study tool for them. Same three dots, but this time, do you notice where it says Export PDF, Screenshot, or PDF Canvas? Okay, PDF's important because PDFs can be opened on any type of device. Phones, tablets, Chromebooks, computers, laptops, it does not matter. You can open them on anything. Okay, Screenshot is just what you see on the screen right now, so just my letters with what they stand for. Canvas will be everything. So all of the information that's up here, my little reminder sentence, that will all be included if you choose Canvas. So it depends on what you need, but I am going to choose Canvas. When you choose that, export to PDF, you're going to get some options here. You're going to choose Save to Device. That window is going to look the same, but this time it's a PDF file. So I can click here and give it a name if I need to. And then again, if I click the three lines, I can save it to the panel, or I can drop it in Drive or Google Drive or OneDrive, and then I can quickly and easily use that to share it through whatever LMS I'm using to share with my students so that they have this file. Okay, so that is it. That's in a nutshell how you save the files. Save As is to save it to be able to pick it up and open it back up and begin working in it again. Exporting the PDF is a way for you to send that out to your students so that they have any of the information that you put in your whiteboard. And that's it. That's how you save your whiteboard files. Hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday. Thanks.